Hi, let's solve one previous question of compiler. This question was asked in GET CS 2015 set 2 question number 19. We need to match the following in left side lexical analysis, parsing, register allocation, expression evaluation. In right side graph coloring, DFA minimization, post-order traversal and production tree is given. Let's analyze one by one. Lexical analysis. Lexical analysis uses the regular expression and we can find regular expression from minimized DFA. So lexical analysis will be 2. P will be connected with 2. Now check in which P is 2. In option A, B, C, D all P is 2. Next Q, parsing. Parsing means syntax analysis. In syntax analysis phase, we construct production tree. What is production tree? There are some production is given like S tends to A, S, B. Then from this you can generate S, A, S, B. This is a production tree or you can say parse tree. So parsing that is related with production tree. Q is for 4. Now check in which option Q is 4. Here Q3, Q1, here Q4 and P is 2. So answer will be option C. Next, register allocation. Register allocation we do in target code generation phase and we use a graph coloring technique by which we can minimize the number of register. So register allocation that is connected with graph coloring. Graph coloring is just an algorithm by using which we can minimize the number of register. So R will be 1. Here R is 1. Yes. Next, expression evaluation. Expression evaluation that you can do by postfix traversal. In stack, I discussed that we can evaluate expression by using postfix traversal. So expression evaluation that will be connected with post order traversal. Postfix traversal or post order traversal, these are same. So expression evaluation that is connected with 3. S is 3. Now in option C, P is 2, Q is 4, R is 1, S is 3. So answer will be option C. If this is helpful for you, please like and subscribe. Thank you.